Indian stock market trends and future opportunities. The Indian stock market witnessed a rollercoaster ride in October 2024. While some sectors thrived, others struggled. Let's analyze the market trends and see what November holds for investors. October's market performance highlighted the impact of various economic factors on different sectors. While sectors like industrials and oil and gas faced headwinds, the electrical sector benefited from positive demand trends. The consumer sector, particularly retail and FMCG, was impacted by inflationary pressures and changing consumer preferences. Investors, seeking long-term growth, moved towards sectors like electricals, which are aligned with sustainability and infrastructure themes. Underperforming sectors in October 2024. Industrial gases, a significant 15.6% decline, likely due to factors such as rising input costs and weaker demand. Retailing, a 12.91% drop, potentially influenced by inflationary pressures and shifting consumer preferences. Diamond and jewelry, a 11.97% decline, possibly due to global economic uncertainties and reduced demand for luxury goods. Oil and gas, a 10.76% decline, impacted by volatile oil prices and regulatory uncertainties. FMCG, a surprising 10.29% decline, likely driven by inflationary pressures and margin erosion. Top-performing sectors. Electricals, a strong 19.54% gain, fueled by government initiatives, infrastructure development, and growing demand for renewable energy solutions. What should we expect in the coming months? As global interest rates stabilize, India's strong growth potential could attract increased foreign institutional investors, FIIs, investments. Government initiatives like the PLI scheme and focus on infrastructure and green energy further enhance the country's investment appeal. Sectors like manufacturing, renewable energy, and infrastructure are poised to benefit from these initiatives. While rising inflation and interest rates may impact discretionary spending, sectors like FMCG and utilities are expected to remain resilient. Based on current market trends and future projections, the following sectors appear to be promising investment opportunities. Electricals and renewable energy. Strong government support for renewable energy initiatives. Increasing demand for electric vehicles and related components. 2. Infrastructure. Government's focus on infrastructure development. Opportunities in construction, engineering, and related sectors. 3. Banking and financial services. Improving economic conditions and rising credit demand. Strong asset quality and improved profitability. Potential for higher interest rates to boost margins. 4. Automobiles and auto ancillaries. Growing demand for electric vehicles. Government support for the EV ecosystem. 5. IT and software services. Global demand for IT services remains strong. However, potential impact of global economic slowdown and rising interest rates should be considered. Short-term performance could be volatile.